this is how you make a raita, a quick raita. So yogurt, chili powder, asafoetida, jaggery, pink Himalayan salt. Mix well. So I'm prepping for a little later. I have a lot of commitments right now, so all this is going to be prepped. Right before serving, I'm going to be adding some red onions, chopped red onions, and bundi. So it's like a bundi raita with a drizzling of imli ki chutney, which is a tamarind chutney over it with some coriander leaves. So this is going to be served with actually rice and sambal. Okay, so quick. These are the choice of veggies for the sambal. Like turnips. This is carrot, zucchini, purple onion. I do have some frozen okras and also drumsticks, which is moringa. So all this is going to be put in the. So first I'm just boiling tur and masoor dal together, just boiling separately with nothing in it, and then I will put everything together. So this is how I just make a very quick basmati to go with the sambar. This is just cardamom, coriander seeds, methi, cumin or jeera, clove, mustard seeds, and yeah, I'm just going to let this pop, and I will be throwing the basmati in after it does. I make the sambar. So just toasting up all the mustard seeds, cumin, methi, all of that kind of stuff with ghee, and then you dump in the red onions, and goes curry leaves, and dried chilies. Give it a nice stir. So we have eggplant. We have some green beans from my garden. We have some chopped carrots, like big, chunky. We have zucchini, frozen okra, bhindi, and some type of radish. This is like a turnip as well. So these are the ingredients for the sambar today. You can always change up your veggies for sambar. powder, sambar powder, which is specifically sambar powder. All different masalas are mixed in here. Then tamarind goes in. That is tamarind, which is imli. Goes in as well for a sharp taste. I've left the zucchini to go in last because it cooks really fast. I don't really want the zucchini to get very soggy. But the other veggies, you know, especially the turnip and the green beans and the carrots, it really needs to cook well. The okra is going to cook really fast. Also the eggplant is going to cook extremely fast, but especially those. Some chopped chunky tomatoes. It's very last minute. Sambar is looking really good. I tasted it. So with every single sambar, you must get salty, sour, and just a touch of sweet, which is I did put a little jaggery in here, and so you're getting those flavors, and of course it starts from the tamarind or imli. So this goes really well with just some white rice, and we are going to do some bundi raita today, as well as some papad. It's very grainy and nice, as you can see. The basmati was soaked for about 20-25 minutes. So this is how yummy it is. And basically it's, I would say, 90% cooked. So all I do at this point is take off heat and cover.